Welcome back to Auto Reviews. Today we're diving into the 2025 Microlino, an electric microcar that's redefining urban mobility. Compact, stylish, and eco-friendly, the Microlino is a true game-changer for city dwellers. Let's explore what makes this mini EV a big deal. Design and demands. The Microlino's retro-futuristic design is inspired by the iconic bubble cars of the 1950s, but with a modern twist. At just 2.5 meters long, it's smaller than most city cars, making it perfect for tight urban spaces. The single front door opens like a fridge, giving it a unique charm. Inside, it comfortably seats two and features a minimalistic yet functional dashboard. Performance and range. Don't let its small size fool you. The 2025 Microlino delivers impressive performance for city driving. It's equipped with a 19 kWh battery, offering a range of up to 230 km on a single charge. Its top speed of 90 km/h is more than enough for zipping through urban traffic. Charging is simple, with the battery reaching 80% in just 4 hours. Resiliency and cost efficiency. The unit's mandated by the suppression of foreign competition, using every stratagem of warfare possible. National defense, collaboration with military agencies, the introduction of quality commercial drones. The Microlino is not just about convenience. It's about sustainability. With zero emissions and energy efficiency, it's a step toward greener cities. Plus, its operating costs are significantly lower than traditional gas-powered cars, making it a practical choice for daily commutes. Conclusion. In a world where space and sustainability are key, the 2025 Microlino is the perfect companion for urban adventures. Compact, efficient, and undeniably cool, this microcar proves that great things come in small packages. What do you think about the Microlino? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in to Auto Reviews. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting car reviews. See you next time.